Hey there, Ruth Squires, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name, we are not the same. So for 2020, it is important to me to find ways to bring value back to my community and those that I care about. And so in thinking about different opportunities I have to do this, I thought I would like to start with for sale by owners. There are many homeowners who are choosing to sell their home on their own, and as such, because I am blessed to be a real estate agent, I want to bring value to the for sale by owner community with tips that will strengthen your position and ability to sell your home. So I'm going to be doing a 7-week video series on this topic. And the first tip has to do with photography, because the presentation of your home online and in your marketing materials is incredibly important. And that is your first opportunity to draw the buyer in emotionally and get them to come and actually see your property in person. So with photography, it is important to use the best equipment that you have available to you. And I recommend a wide angle lens so that you can get the best perspective of the space and the rooms that you have to show off. Positioning when you take the picture is incredibly important. So as an example, if you are trying to take a picture of an entire room, you want to position yourself far back into the corner where you have the best viewpoint of the entire room when you take the shot. So make sure that you're trying to get a good scope of the space so that the buyer can see the space that they will have to work with. I also like the philosophy of less is more. And the idea there is do not overload people with a million pictures. You're going to lose their attention very quickly. You want to present the absolute best things of your home as quickly as possible so that it emotionally ties the buyer in and causes them to call you and say, I need to see your property. So part of that is only 1 or 2 pictures of each room, the best angles, the best viewpoint and perspective you can give, and then also make sure that the pictures are strategically placed so that a buyer feels like they're walking through the home, not just haphazard photos of different areas, thrown in all over the place. So those are the best practices when it comes to the photography. If you would like any more information, or if I can be of any assistance to you in order for you to utilize these tips, please do not hesitate to call me, 352-794-1426. Good luck to everyone, and I look forward to working with you in the new year. Thank you.